In this episode of Forever Best Friend, we are on the road to Newport News, Virginia, to check out the Maritime Museum and see just how dog-friendly it truly is. We've heard amazing things about the museum and the job it's doing to restore the USS Monitor historical artifacts. If this is your first time watching, please like and subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when more fun travel adventure videos are released. Apparently I can't talk. And
No.
Today, where are we, Dave?
We're at the Mariners Museum in Newport News, Virginia.
In Newport News, Virginia. Okay, let's take a look at this place. You know, I've always loved a good cannon, and these are really cool. Take a look at this. Not only are they like huge, but they've got some really interesting detail on them, which, you know, wasn't really necessary for the function, but this is a Spanish bronze gun. It's a 24-pounder. Once used to guard the Fortress Cabana in Havana, Cuba, the biggest 18th century fortress complex in the Americas. This is the cheapest museum we've ever been
This
to.
is the best value for your money museum.
Okay. It's $1 per person.
All right, let me get you your ticket.
Okay, so they've got a lot of things here. They've got the USS Monitor Center, the ironclad renovation, full-scale replica of the USS Monitor. Oh my gosh, tons of stuff. And they even have free Wi-Fi. Okay, this is the figurehead of the HMS Edinburgh from 1819. Can you imagine this being on front of the ship? Look at this thing, it's huge. Okay, is there anything at the Mariners Museum and Park? Gotta make sure you get the correct name. That is dog friendly. Can they go on the grounds?
Well, we don't allow them in the museum.
Correct.
Of course, if they're a service dog, we do.
Right.
But we do have a trail back there that they are allowed on.
Okay.
And we have a little pond down here that they can go on.
Then go on there. Okay, nice.
Unfortunately, since you have to go inside to get to the rest museum, I don't think it would be possible for dogs to get in here.
Okay.
But if they could, I would recommend the Monitor Center. It's the best part about this entire museum.
Cool. One of the greatest naval conflicts on record, a revolution in naval warfare, the USS Monitor Center. Really cool. All right, so this is a portion of one of the armored sides of...
The casement for the CSS Virginia, and what you're looking at is the impact of a cannonball strike to the side of this 2-inch iron plate.
It's really thick. This is awesome. here's the engine before the treatment. Here's the engine during the treatment in 2012. And now here's the engine partially in 2017 after they do the treatment. So this is
the
cool.
gun carriage.
This is one of the gun carriages that they're actually doing restoration,
Yes.
and they're getting stuff off
That's a
it.
gun. That's not the gun carriage. That's
Okay.
a gun.
That's a gun. And then this vat is the actual turret that they are restoring. It's pretty intensive.